Good morning, people! It's Sunday, guys. Yung plano today is mag-chill lang. Tapos, I think lalabas kami para kumain ng pho. Vietnamese pho. Kasi last week sa work, may kumain nun. Dalawa talaga sila sa team. Tapos sabi ko, sarap naman yan. Ang bango-bango niya. Never ako mag-order niyan eh. Kapag lumalabas kami ni Dan, yung in-order ko yung combination rice. Hindi yung pho. And sabi ko sa kanya, ang sarap ng pho tingnan. Sabi niya, sige, mag-pho tayo. Anyway, I will fix my hair. Do I need to fix my hair? Hindi ko siya binasa, guys, pero I think naanuhan siya ng tubig ng slide kasi parang nakalimutan ko ata na hindi ko siya babasain. So, parang nabasa ko siya ng slide. So, now, medyo basa siya. May mga nagtatanong pala ko, anong kulay ng buhok ko? Wala naman siyang meron siyang kulay, pero alam nyo ba na kinulayan ko to ng black 2 beses na ata, pero lumalabas pa rin to, oh. Siguro kukulayan ko ulit siya ng black. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. May shopping ban kasi ako, guys. Hindi na ako mag-shopping this month, May. Yeah. So, wala akong bibilhin. Like, okay lang food, pero damit, wala. Wala talaga. And gusto ko siya i-extend June, pero i-survive ko muna yung May. Kasi April was a big month. Like, over ako nag-shopping sa April. Ibaban ko yung sarili ko. Sabi din ni Dan, good idea. Good job. Pero kakasimula pa lang natin, siguro 1 week pa tayo. Ano na ba ngayon? 6 of May na ba ngayon? Siguro I will have a whole video that will be up in the next maybe week or so. Pero nabili ko yun, hindi May. So April yun, so not counted. Ayusin ko yung buhok ko kasi, guys, mag-review ako nung clothes. Clothes. This. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Hindi ko siya in-open na na-receive ko siya. See? Like, wala pa talaga, guys. I will do a first impression video. A first impression review video. My goodness. Okay. So, i-set up ko muna yung aking filming room. Char. And, kailangan ko pang ilabas. Yan, ilabas ko yan. Yung karton, basura yan. Yung, red na plastic, pang donate. So, ilalabas ko yan, lagay natin sa harap ng bahay. Guys! I have makeup on! Babe! Belly! Sakirin. Punta kami sa The Tower Hotel. Biglaang invitation from Tony and Lyra.
And if you don't know Lyra, Rose will leave a link below for
Lyra's channel.
Channel.
Smile Lyra.
And Tony's channel.
That's their channel.
Their channel.
Smile Lyra. Char. Are you a good friend of Tony?
Tony's a good bloke.
Tony's a good bloke. Anyway, invite nila kami, guys, just to celebrate. Sobrang nagmamadali ako. I was filming, I filmed 2 videos and Dan was like, knock, 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 knock. Are you ready? Knock, 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 knock. Every 5 minutes. So, yeah. I finished 2 videos though, which is good. Now, dito na kami. Putin lang, malapit lang kami sa tower. So, if we're late, that's on me. Because I was filming, so I'm sorry, people. Are they here? No, that's not their car. Is that Audi? That's them. Oh my gosh, it's hot. I'm wearing this. Ito yung na-feature ko sa haul ko kanina from So Aesthetic. I love it. Pero it's hot. Okay.
T-shirt underneath?
Sorry, I don't have a t-shirt underneath.
You'll be right.
Sobrang binamadali mo kasi ako. Kasalanan mo to. It's your fault.
Come on.
Okay, let's go in. Dito na kami, guys. Congrats, Lyra!
All of us.
Nagpa-boomerang siya kay Tony. Uy, day!
I'll come over to this side.
Oh, let's boomerang?
Let's move it.
Guys, punta na kami sa city. Tapos na kami mag-champagne. Kasama si Tony at saka si Lyra. So, punta kami city. What are we doing sa city?
Shopping.
Shopping!
For Mum.
Not for me, for Mom.
Mother's Day present.
Yeah, I'm banned from shopping.
For this month.
For this month, I'm banned. She mentioned na gusto niya ng, patay, manonood siya ng vlog na to. Tagalog tayo. Gusto niya nung, patay, kapag mention ko tong brand na to, guys.
This Sunday. Sure, I see it.
Sure? Okay, she mentioned na gusto niya nung, robe, parang robe pang winter, and yung kambal ni Dan yung bibili nun. And then na-mention niya din na gusto niyang Pandora bracelet, so I think we will look at that.
I don't want a Pandora bracelet, I don't like that.
What do you want to buy her then?
I don't know, I've got no idea. And I said it's going to get the rope, so we're not getting the rope.
Yeah,
so
that's what I said.
Yeah, so something completely different.
Right. We'll see. Yung nasa lips ko pala guys is yung bigay sa akin ni Pretty Mary. Ano siya? From Ever Belena. Yung tatlo siya. Tapos yung nasa gitna na kulay. I forgot. Pero na-mention ko siya sa video na ginawa ko kanina. Yung review ko sa sa brushes ni Anne. And then yung sa face ko din is the Too Faced Born This Way Foundation. I am in the shade Sand. Yung sa brows ko, same. Yung Detail Make Brow. And then yung highlight ko is BLK Cosmetics actually. At saka yung ano ko din, yung blush ko din is yung BLK Cosmetics, yung trio. And then sa aking contour is the Physicians Formula Muru Muru Bronzer. Do you like my makeup?
Yep.
My lipstick?
Yep.
Approved?
Approved.
Approved. It's too dark and I think if I will eat, it will like fade, but we will see. Diyan kami guys, Adelaide Arcade.
Nice.
Orange na. Green. No, they don't have it anymore.
They do.
Where? Ah, yes. Hold on, it's not $1 anymore. See? No, it's not even the same one.
It is fingers.
See, hindi na siya $1. Alam niyo ba guys, yung bumili ako nito, diba? Bumili kami
Do you
isa.
get white chocolate or normal chocolate?
No, I don't want white. Kinabukasan, or like, nung gabing yun, inubos niya. Inubos mo ang chocolate ko. Minsan lang ako bumili ng chocolate para sa akin. Inubos mo. I told them that you finished the chocolate, the whole box. You finished the whole box.
They don't believe
as well.
you. They believe me. You got my perfume. Shall I like perfume as well?
Perfume? Yeah, yeah. David Jones, guys. Punta kami David Jones. Hanap-hanap kami ng gift para kay Mami. Yeah, it's expensive. Dito kami sa Rebel, guys. Seriously, seriously, seriously. Hanap kami ng gift para sa mama niya. Yung mama niya kasi Port Power supporter din. So, we're looking. Maybe we can find something here. If not, then good luck sa amin. How about a jacket? Like this. She will need it. It's gonna be cold. Oh, that's small and that's big. Nabili na namin yung Mother's Day gift, guys. Dito sana kami. Mr. Viet. Kaya lang close. Close si Mr. Viet. Gusto namin ng pho. So, let's go to Vietnamese restaurant. What?
Okay.
Why are you
The girls
smiling?
behind are looking at you weird.
They're looking at me. Guys, walang pagkain. Ano na ako, grumpy na ako because I'm hungry. But we're heading somewhere kasi sabi na dun open daw. So, we'll see. We're going outside the city and sana open dun. Gusto ko lang talaga ng pho. Nag-crave ako ng pho. Sabi ko, umuwi na lang tayo. Lutuin na lang natin yung leftover from last night kasi meron kaming leftover na beef. Pero sabi ko, ay, gusto ko talaga ng pho. So, itry namin tong last place kung wala uwi. Finally, my kitchen Vietnamese restaurant. Yay! Buti na lang. Hala, nilock ako? Oh. Buti na lang open. Yay! Dito na kami, guys. Order na kami. Order kami ng pho at saka
That's right, babe.
combination rice. Ay, guys. Diba sabi niya mag-vlog siya? You said you will vlog this weekend. He didn't vlog.
Too tired.
Which is okay. Kasi si Dan, hindi ko naman siya pinipilit. Hindi ko naman yan pinipilit. Yeah. I told them I'm not forcing you, babe. Yeah. Kung kailan niya lang gusto. He did say, I think sinabi niya sa isa sa mga comments na mag-vlog siya, pero hindi niya feel, so okay lang.
Yeah, we should.
Yeah.
Can I order? Yes, cheese.
So, we'll get that.
Yep. Yeah, you know what, babe.
Okay. We'll get the classic broken rice.
Classic broken rice.
Yep. And then the beef noodle soup as well.
The beef noodle soup?
Yep.
Just rabbit or combination?
Just the beef.
Just rabbit?
Yep. And then peach iced tea for me. And coconut juice for me. Yep.
Coconut juice. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. That's good. Thanks. Thank you.
Which one's which?
This one is chili sauce.
Okay.
This one is hoisin sauce.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Guys, nandito na yung amledan. Sobrang laki. Look at that. Sobrang laki. Mas malaki pa yan sa ulo mo, babe. It's bigger than your head.
Yeah, it's massive.
Yeah, let's share that and then we will share the combination rice as well. You want the coriander?
Yeah.
Yum! Ito na yung combination rice, guys. Yum. Ang laki din. Tsaka yan. Kain tayo. Kain tayo, babe?
Yeah.
Yep. Tapos na kami, guys. Mag-dinner. I'm full. Sobra. It's not the best Vietnamese restaurant, but it will do. Kasi wala na ibang open eh. Yeah. Kapag pumunta ka ng Vietnamese restaurant, tapos maraming Australian, maraming mga puti, kaysa sa Vietnamese or Asian, then that means it's not the best Vietnamese restaurant. Dun sa Tantan na lagi naman pinupuntahan, lagi talaga dun may mga Vietnamese, mga Asian dun, so that means it's good. And yeah, that one's way better. Hindi nga naubos ni Dan yung niya, yung pho niya. Pero kapag sa Tantan kami kumakain, lagi niya nauubos yun. Anyway, we're heading home. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Diba sinabi ko, after ko kumain, tanggal na. See? Para na lang siyang lip liner. Yun guys, yung Everbelena. Hindi ko siya dala, hindi ko dala ng lipstick. Wala akong dalang lipstick kasi sobrang nagmamadali si Dan. Uy, katok ng katok siya sa akin nung nag-film ako kasi si Lyra at saka si Tony nga nag-champagne. Nagyaya mag-champagne. So yeah. Oh, it's cold. Can we turn on the heater?
Yeah.
I think I will film another video kapag nasa mood pa ako mamaya pagdating ng bahay. Pero yeah. That was good.
Yeah, it was good. Another video.
Yeah, we'll see.
Hardest working YouTuber. Always working. Thank you, babe.
Why, thank you.
That was a good day.
Yeah, good day.
What's the best thing of today?
The news.
The news. The news.
Yeah. No, I'm really happy for Lyra and Tony.
Yeah.
Really happy for you guys.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Very good. And shopping was good.
Shopping was great.
Easy.
We have a gift for mommy.
Are you gonna show it now?
No, maybe later. I can't
Okay.
reach it. But someone commented on our video yesterday that they said, for respect, you should call Dan's dad, and then your mom. It's actually not. Like, it's different culture, guys. So I don't really need to call them mom or dad.
Nah.
Like, Dan will call my dad because that's our culture. Pero,
I call him Poppy.
yeah, because that's what I call my dad, Papi. And
Mom.
he calls my mom because that's our culture. But here,
You don't have to.
yeah, you don't have to. I call her Sharon. That's her name.
Yep.
I'll call his dad. What's your dad's name? Rock.
Rock.
Sorry.
Rock.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. She doesn't even know your name.
I know
Bad daughter-in-law.
his name. No, I know his name. Yeah, so it's not disrespect if I don't call them mom or dad. I respect them so much, like seriously. But it doesn't, yeah. Hindi yun yung batayan na ng respeto. Yeah, it's just we're on different cultures and it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Dan's sister-in-law has been with your kuya or with your brother for so long.
22 years?
20-something years. And she doesn't call Sharon mom.
No.
She calls Sharon. So, yeah, hindi siya, maybe some people here call their in-laws mom, dad, but I
don't have to.
Yeah, I don't. We don't. Yeah, but Dan calls Poppy Poppy, and he calls mom mom. Yeah, right?
Yeah, I like the name Poppy. So I call her Poppy.
But you call mom mom as well?
She loves it, that's why.
Mom!
Mom!
I don't think she loves it, babe.
She loves it. Definitely loves it.
We're home na guys. Pasensya na sa lips ko guys. Hindi na ako magre-retouch kasi... Ay, magre-retouch ako kasi magfi-film para ako. Anyway, look at this. Look at my mess guys. Nag-film ako kanina. Sobrang minamandali ako ni Dan. Okay, tatapusin ko yung filming ko. Mag-film ako ng isa pang whole video. Yung Zaffle naman yung i-feature ko. And then that should be it. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung binili namin para sa mama ni Dan guys. Before ako mag-film. Pero yeah, ito yung binili namin para sa kanya. Daisy Dream Marc Jacobs. So ito yung blue. Tapos meron siyang kasamang body lotion. $89 ata to. So, yeah. And then, we went to Reject Shop, diba? Bumili lang kami ng mga pagkain. Hindi ko nga in-expect na bibili kami. Nakita ko to and hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa chocolate. Like, hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate talaga. Pero kapag chocolate with almonds, gusto ko siya. Like, siguro mga kakain ako isa, dalawa. Si Dan ubos niyan. Gaya nung fingers kanina. Siguro kumain ako ng 3 lang. Tapos si Dan umubos. And then, kumuha siya ng Mentos. And then, ito, bumili din ako ng gum. At saka nuts. Yun lang. Yun lang yung binili namin dun. Anyway, yun na guys. Film ako ng video. Tapos, yeah. Guys, we're finally done. Oh my gosh. Natapos ko na yung haul. I can't wait to take my contacts off. Medyo, ano na siya, hindi na siya. Medyo mapdi na yung mata ko. Whew. Yung pagtatanggal ng contacts, para rin siyang, para rin siyang pagtanggal ng bra. Para sa akin, Kaya lang, hindi ako makakita. Napaka-blurry. Anyway, tatanggalin ko lang yung makeup ko, guys. Siguro I'm not sure. Sabihin ko sana magmamasa ko today, pero wag na. Hindi din ako mag-i-edit kasi tapos na. Tapos na ako mag-edit kagabi and ready na yung video para mamaya. And yeah, so I'll take a rest. And yeah, I'll take a rest. Tanggalin ko muna yung makeup ko. Gagamitin ko to as usual, the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil. Kasi meron akong mascara. Yung ginamit ko ng mascara is the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal, yung pink. So gagamitin ko to. Ooh, I love doing this. Yung pag-refill ng gusto ko to. Sana meron pa tayo. Yep, meron pa. Ito yung galing kay Daiso na sobrang ganda na na cotton pad. So, ako lang ba na gustong-gusto gawin tong mga to? Like mag-refill ng cotton puff or yung mag-refill ng, what do you call that? Earbuds. Gustong-gusto ko gawin to. Oh, perfect. Ubus na siya, guys. And puno na yung ating lalagyan. Nice! Okay. Alright, tatanggalin ko lang yung makeup ko. Yun na yung vlog ko, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.